Hello everybody, welcome to my kitchen. Today, because we can't do any chemistry, I thought I would cook something, and when life gives you lemons, I think you should make lemon butter. Now, I have this wonderful book. I shall show you the cover. It's called The Jam and Marmalade Bible, and I bought this for about $2 in a book sale, and it's full of great recipes because he's a Swiss chef reminiscent of the Muppets. He calls his lemon butter lemon curd. Doesn't matter, it's the best lemon butter I've ever made. So the first thing I have to do is wash up my jars. I'm also going to rinse them in hot water to get those suds off. Okay, jars are clean. Now I'm going to sterilize the jars by putting them in the oven. This tray, along with the lids, and they can just wait in the oven. I'll do the rest of this. Right, time to actually read the instructions for the lemon curd. It says grated zest of 3 lemons. I'm going to give my lemons a bit of a wash. Cold water. I need 2/3 of a cup of lemon juice. Okay, I've got 2/3 of a cup of juice there now. Whisk the eggs and half the sugar until fluffy. 6 eggs and 300 grams of sugar, so half of that would be 150 grams. Alright, so 300 grams of sugar in total, half the sugar is 150 grams. Grams. Put that up there for a moment. And I need to whisk the sugar and the eggs together. Now the next instruction says to bring the lemon juice, zest and remaining sugar to a boil. So I'm going to put them into this Pyrex saucepan. And turn them on and keep going with that. So the lemon juice, sugar and lemon rind mixture is now boiling. So I can add that now to the egg and sugar mixture in the over here. back onto the stove. And I need to whisk it. As it cooks. So the instruction says, empty the mix into a small saucepan with a thick bottom, carefully bring to a boil while whisking. It's the protein in the egg that thickens this mixture. That's boiling. The next instruction says, remove the saucepan from the stove and whisk until smooth. Now our next instruction is to pour this through a strainer, and I have washed up my original bowl. So that I can reuse it. We're going to strain off a lot of the lemon rind, as well as any lumps of egg. Some of the rind goes through, but that doesn't matter. So you can probably see in here we've got lemon rind in there. Okay, bit's done. Now we need to let it cool for a little bit, and I can take this opportunity to get myself 200 grams of butter. Okay, I think that'll do. Just going to cut the butter into pieces to make it mixing easier. So just to mix the butter with a hand blender, but I'm just going to use the whisk. Wait until all of the butter has melted. Next step is to pour it into sterilized jars. I can grab these jars out of the oven. See how I go. I don't need these 2 jars, they are surplus to requirements. But the next thing I can do is to put them into a hot water bath in the oven. And so I'll boil the kettle. This means that the jars will keep longer. So if you want to prolong its shelf life, you may do the following. Place the jars in a water bath with hot water in an oven at 175 degrees Fahrenheit or 80 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. So I'm going to turn my oven down to 80 degrees. And get a baking dish ready. Kettle's boiled, so I'll pour this water into this baking dish. And into the oven for 20 minutes. Okay, the oven has been on for 20 minutes. Now we can just leave these jars out to cool. We're done.